Hey, out of tissues. It's okay. Let's use this solution. Open this up here. Okay. Take this. This. A roll of clean toilet tissue. Make sure it's clean. Not one that's been sitting in the bathroom. Okay. And you take the center out. Takes a little doing, but it's doable. There, take that out. Get it started in the middle. Okay. Now, alright. Take this back. Slide it in. Put the top out. Take it out like that. Okay. Close it back up again. Put some tape over that. Hold on. I got just regular tape. Okay. So it's wide enough. Okay. Especially for those days when you have a cold and you just keep using and using tissues every time you turn around, every time you have to, okay, and this works just fine. Okay, there you go. And you've got a decent tissue that does look like a toilet paper roll.